think we should move. Just slow.
I think we should move? Like, duh. Imagine had they not seen this black bear lurking in the background. So, black bears are not usually all that aggressive and tend to be more curious than anything else. But it's still a bear, and animals like bears should not be this close to humans. They should always fear humans. I mean, trust me, it's good for the human and the bear.
He's like just over. It's okay.
So how often do you see lions running away from an animal? Like, almost never? The backstory here is that this rhino seems to be angry that these lions killed her baby. Notice the hyena just checking out the scene as well. One of the lions is noticeably injured and emaciated as well. Not that it would have mattered very much when it comes to like fighting a full-grown rhino.
No se muevan.
Folks, you can't make this stuff up. Like, props to the woman who kept her cool along with the rest of the women, because this was well on its way to being a tragic ending had they panicked. So a black bear decides to harass a woman, and it seems more curious than aggressive, but wow. Like, what would you do in this situation? Is there any scenario in which you would ever wrestle a bear? I think you know what my answer would be.
Вам ты ведь слабак. Вам ты ведь слабак. Все. Видишь, он в лицо лезет. Все, кусается. Спину ему заверил, он вообще аккуратнее. А он вообще, когда спину забираешь, вообще не понимает.
A man is completely unmoved by a bear that gets very close.
Сергей, смотри, прыгай. Сыр гулять. Смотри, кинь оттуда. Губу видишь, как поджимает?
I think they're following us. And there's a god coming past him.
I mean, look, you tell me. Like, what would you do? These enormous and powerful beasts chase this Jeep, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be really bad if these two rhinos catch these jokesters. Yeah, wouldn't have been good. I'm glad the Jeep didn't like run out of gas or get a flat tire.
Have you ever seen a rhino run like that?
Because they pick up serious speed, eh?
They're tired, eh? They'd be exhausted by now if they were chasing us.
A man runs up on a snake that he was not expecting to see. Not what I'd want to see when I go to open my blinds.
Mm-hmm. Sounds like a motor. What's the what? She's getting pissed.
I'm not pissed.
No?
No, she just.
Huh. You got it.
It's recording.
We got ourselves a little rattler right here. He's about to make a little bit of noise. Here's my little barricade. Can you see the snake?
Yes.
Alright.
Oh my god, it's so scary, man.
Alright.
So, ah!
Go on, Dickie, it's alright.
A rattlesnake is not excited about being messed with. This is at a zoo in the Philippines where they will use pythons, yes, pythons, to give you a massage.
This one, I think this one likes me. That's EJ. This is AJ. Hi, AJ. How you doing, bro? So, gano'n ka niya? Kiri ka. Oh, okay. Ano lang? Relax. Awa.
Ano mo gitsa ang slide dayon? Ang kuan siya. Natagak na ko.
That little freaker. I hope this is the same snake that I saw earlier. If it's not, it's really scary. And that's exactly what he did right there.
A very brave blue heeler has an intense standoff versus two coyotes.
Ensuring genetic diversity and breeding successes. So Asha Kieran here has actually given birth to 2 boys. Kieran here is one of them. He's 2 years old, as I said. Here's mom.
Let me tell you something. This is called the greater one-horn rhino, which is the largest species of rhino. They are huge, and TV and video does them no justice. I've seen this in person, and they are like crazy huge. So I guess this man figured out the hard way, and it almost cost him his life. Hey! 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 So this happens in Florida, where a guy kayaking in the Matanzas Inlet, which is between St. Augustine and Flagler Beach. A guy is out kayaking by his lonesome when he gets a pretty nice shock. I'm not clear if this is just one shark in his area or multiple, but nonetheless, he started to put a rush on it after this encounter and was trying to get the heck out of there. Smart man.
She went through.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Holy fuck balls. Stand back, stand back, stand back.
Holy shit.
Here's a clip where there is someone in a cage, and this caught the attention of a great white shark. The shark actually ended up getting its head stuck in the cage of all things. Can you imagine what would have happened to the guy in the cage had this shark managed to wriggle its way into the cage? Homeboy would have been a goner. People should by now know that moose are not to be played with. If not, they will learn.
O kurwa, hopa, hop.
Uh-oh.
Idzie. O kurwa, o kurwa.
We'll just kind of give him some space. With all of us here, can't do much. Yeah. You know, you got to run him off. Unfortunately, we can't cut him off now.
Oh, he's coming fast.
All right, don't worry.
All right, man.
Some old footage of a giant grizzly who sees this group of guys and is not pleased with their presence. Look, I don't know about you, but I would not be trying to antagonize an animal who can run 100 yards in 5 seconds and has the strength to tear you apart in seconds. Maybe that's just me.
Hey! Hey! Go! Hey! Hey! Go! Hey! Now that's all males, the other ones? That one's clearly bigger. The male wants to protect, right?
This video appears to be a safari video in which these rhinos are huddled together, grazing, and just chilling. You know, doing rhino stuff. All of a sudden, things get very, very testy when one of the rhinos feels like the human is getting too close. Can you imagine being on foot, trying to get away from one of these Mack trucks coming at you? Like, I'm not clear on what kind of shark this is, but it's huge. This couple is just sitting in their kayaks and being pretty patient. Certainly more patient than I would have been. But then again, you ain't never heard of no black man ever getting eaten by a shark. Except Samuel L. Jackson, of course.
Anymore. We're going to pull together and we're going to find a way to get out of here. First, we're going to seal off this movie.
The shark circles around the kayaks for several minutes on that predatory stalking type stuff, right? That they usually do. But thankfully, nothing escalated.
Hey Heidi. Hey Heidi, get in the boat.
Are you being serious?
Yep.
So this is about 4 miles off of Key West, where this woman is swimming in this beautiful water and thankfully had someone there with her looking out, because this could have went totally bad. It's crazy, no matter how big a shark is, that they're able to move around so stealthily. This woman would have never known what hit her.
Holy crap, can you imagine?
Look at
Can you
that.
see them?
Yeah, they're like circling. Look. Look out. Look.
A mother chicken protects her babies, as well as some ducklings, from a hungry king cobra. Check out this cat's reflexes as it defends itself against the cobra. Just imagine an angry tiger charging you like this. Tigers walking around freely like this around you at night probably means you shouldn't be there.
जबरदस्त सही जबरदस्त बे
After being taunted a bit, a tiger has finally had enough. This owl likes the affection, but also seems to get a bit annoyed.
Numb the head rub. Oh, that feel good. Hey. Nice. That feel good. A little more head rub.
An angry rat wants his voice heard, perhaps literally. Check out this terrified woman who tries to get away from a rat. I don't think she's trying to hurt the rat per se. She just doesn't want it to get on her.
And have a safe day.
This deer is showing aggression at an early age and doesn't seem to have a fear of humans.
Siri's not answering me.
Okay. There you go.
What's the number for wildlife?
When you guys go, open the door of the garage. Because they shouldn't be this friendly with people. You should be afraid of me. Come on.
They're not afraid of dogs. I doubt they're going to be afraid of us making funny noises.
Does this count as habitat protection?
Open the door! What is the problem with you guys?
I opened it. What do you want?
It's shut.
That's fine. You can walk away now, okay?
I can make gorilla noises out of it.
I don't think that would work either.
Listen, if it comes running, Josh, get up
Go!
here. Let the food burn.
Go!
Run! Call the police. Come on, Dad.
Go!
Dad, come on. It can jump over there, guys.
Woo!
Another black bear sighting, but this time in someone's backyard. I think this bear is obviously just hungry. Well, heck, then again, bears are always hungry, aren't they? But look how close they are and how comfortable they are antagonizing this bear. Do you think they would do that to like a grizzly?
Go.
Yeah.
Josh. Josh.
Get out of there.
Oh. Quit.
Oh.
No. No. Josh, get away. Dad, get away. Josh, get. Let him have it. Get, Josh. Get. Josh. No. Josh, quit. Let him have it. Let him have it. Move. This ain't funny. Move, Jake.
Holy shit! You're bullseye! Holy shit! It's a huge bull!
So these guys are out fishing in the ocean with some little ass wooden boats for some reason. They caught something much bigger than a goldfish.
I'm gonna bail some water here. Oh my god! Look at this boat! Oh my gosh! Dude, that's like a 9 or 10 footer. That is not like 7. That's huge.
Are you kidding me? A 10-foot shark and all y'all got are these little flimsy boats? Hell to the no. A kangaroo and a dog get into a bit of a standoff. Luckily, it did not escalate.
Cookie, woof woof. A doggy woof woof.
This turtle, which I believe is a snapping turtle, seems to be pretty friendly and docile, until it's not.
That's scary. Holy moly.
It's a cactus.
I don't know if there's any creature right now scarier than the Asian giant hornet. Just one of these can destroy 40 honeybees in seconds. Not even kidding. Just a handful of them could take down Shaquille O'Neal. Imagine this many of them on you at once. A hiker gets a bit too close to a bobcat. This bobcat approaches and seems more curious than irritated. It's so much power in a small package, just amazing creatures.
Ei, Henrique, olha o tamanho da bichona. Olha aí, ó. Olha o tamanho da criança, meu irmão.
This is in Brazil, and I'm not sure like how long this anaconda is, but it's huge. And my black butt would not be getting in its way. The majestic serpent is determined to get itself all the way across the road, even at one point climbing over the median. This is way too close to an anaconda for me, but hey, this is still pretty cool to see. A silly man sticks his hand in an ant pile. Amazingly, he withstands the burn and looks like he's okay. A very close encounter with a wolf. Check out this quiet but very close wolf encounter. The wolf doesn't seem to be aggressive, but this is still a bit scary. Beavers are not little harmless creatures like they are portrayed in cartoons. They can seriously hurt you or worse. This rhino wasn't having it. As you can see all throughout this list, rhinos and cars, especially big cars, trucks, and SUVs, don't mix. Can you imagine calling in a claim for this one and explaining to the insurance company what happened? This rhino literally is treating this car ragdoll style, and it's terrifying because if it can do that to this SUV, what would it do to my black ass? Hell to the no. A resident in Carolina Beach helps to get a gator under control. The Komodo dragon is a deadly animal. This one is too close for comfort to this man as the Komodo dragon tries to cross a bridge.
frog. It's supposed to switch off.
Why does he put its tongue out like that?
Because they use the tongue to smell and detect some particle from the air, and they keep in the check up and what is it? How to say that? Okay, supposed to use the tongue to smell and detect some particle and then save, just like that. And they have. Oh, come on, bears.
That's my card.
You know, the problem is, what do? Do you hop out the car and politely tell the bears to stop destroying your car? So a family of brown bears at Yellowstone decided that this car would make a great play toy and started to attack the car. The kids in the car were not trying to hear it, and I don't blame them.
Just start moving forward. Go forward. They said not to stop. Start driving forward, Jacob. Gosh, it's okay.
Vieni Ale. Ehi, dai. Sì, la sto facendo, vieni. Non dargli la schiena.
The best for last. So this takes place in the Italian Alps, where this young boy comes across this giant bear that's following him down a hill. Props to the kid as well as the family for keeping their cool, because couldn't have been me. So a lot of the time with bears, they become curious, and if you can get them just to get bored with you and lose interest, they usually will go away. But when they don't, you are in big trouble.
Cos'era io a 3 metri da Alessandro.
Fermi.
Ce n'hanno tanti, non penso che ne.
I'm not sure what this is, but it appears to be real. Looks like a furry snake, and it's kind of beautiful in a way, yet terrifying at the same time. This little velociraptor looking creature is a monitor lizard. They have notoriously painful bites, and even at this size, this man has trouble getting him off. It appears the guy is okay.
Can't get them all.
No.
Ah.
Thanks for watching. I'm Curtis. See you next time.
Well in the sand like a fish on land. Like a fish on land.